Characteristics of chemical reactions. Evolution of gas. The evolution of gas is a common characteristic of many chemical reactions. Here are a few examples. Combustion reactions involve the reaction of a fuel, usually a hydrocarbon, with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water vapor. For example, the combustion of methane CH4 can be represented by the equation. In this reaction, methane natural gas reacts with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water vapor. The evolution of carbon dioxide and water vapor in the form of gases is a characteristic feature of combustion reactions. When zinc granules react with dilute sulfuric acid, bubbles of hydrogen gas are produced. When calcium carbonate CaCO3 is heated, it decomposes to form calcium oxide CaO and carbon dioxide gas. The evolution of carbon dioxide gas is evident in this reaction. These examples illustrate how the evolution of gas is a characteristic feature of various chemical reactions. It occurs due to the release or formation of gases as products or reactants interact, providing observable evidence of the reaction taking place. Formation of precipitates. The formation of precipitates is another characteristic of certain chemical reactions. A precipitate is a solid that forms when two or more aqueous solutions are combined. Here are a few examples. One common example is the reaction between silver nitrate AgNO3 and sodium chloride NaCl. In this reaction, silver chloride AgCl is insoluble in water and forms a white precipitate. These examples highlight how the formation of precipitates occurs when two or more substances react and an insoluble compound is formed. The precipitate can be observed as a solid that settles out of the solution or forms as visible particles in the mixture. The process of freezing water is an example of solidification. Evaporation and condensation involve the transition between the liquid and gas states. Evaporation occurs when a liquid substance changes into a gas due to heating or an increase in temperature. One example is the evaporation of water. Change of color. Certain chemical reactions are characterized by a change in the color of the reactants. When a few pieces of iron are dropped into a blue-colored copper sulfate solution, the blue color of the solution fades and eventually turns into light green due to the formation of ferrous sulfate. When concentrated sulfuric acid is added to a piece of copper, a blue solution of copper sulfate is formed. Change in temperature. Some chemical reactions occur with change in heat energy or with change in temperature. Reactions which result in rise in temperature, example in which heat is evolved, are called exothermic reactions. Reactions which result in fall in temperature, example in which heat is absorbed, are called endothermic reactions.